Today I going to explain about the introduction of error handling in Python. So there is a few points we need to consider while we learning error handling in Python. Error handling is the process of responding and recovering from the error condition in a program. We need to prevent the crash of the program, and we also take care of improve the user experience. It's also help to debugging and maintain the code. Let's see how many types of errors in Python. There is basically three types of error: syntax error, runtime error, logical error. So syntax error, when we do some mistake while writing the code, like missing some semicolon, colon, comma, like that, or some improper indentation, like that, we can say that is a syntax error. Runtime error occurs while we running some programs and some exception occurs, and that programs is not able to handle that exception. That is a runtime error. So to avoid that, we need to handle that error using provided by the try catch block. There is a logical error that produces incorrect result but do not crash the programs. So we expect something else, and returning that response is something different while running the program. So that is a logical error. Okay, so let's see how exception event occurs and how we can handle that. So there is a few common exceptions like a value error, type error, index error, key error. We also heard about some out of index errors like that. So when we perform some operation on list and go beyond the index name and trace. So let's see the try and block, try and except block. Try and wrap the code to avoid that exception. So if we know like might be here the exception will occur, that times we need to wrap that code within a try block and handle in the exception block using multiple exception, and just we need to provide that except and error main. Let's say final block. So here you can see there is a final block. So if we are handling that error in the try block, so and there I wrap that code open. So might be while reading the file, might file not found. So we handle that exception, file not found error, and printing that file not found. It means if the file not found, that times the programs raise that errors, and the except block handle that error using file not found error and print that file not found, and finally close that file dot close. So here you can see three blocks are there, which is we are going to use in our programs. Let's see best practice in error handling. So we need to use a specific exception that rather than general exception to improve that code or specify the specific exception, we can provide that detail, or we can handle manually that exception. Like if we handle that gender exception, we cannot provide proper error. So that's why we need to give that specific exception, log exception for debugging purpose. So we need to log exception for debugging purpose. If sometimes something crash or something happening in our project and we don't know what is going on, so that times we need to check that log and to debug and fix that. So that times log will help what exception is occurring on the project. These are all the best practice. Conclusion. So there is summary. Proper error handling is crucial for robust application using try, accept, and finally allow developer to manage errors gracefully and maintain control over the program's flow. Do let me know any question you have in the comment box. That's all. Thank you.